How to install FaceApp on Android? Want to start experimenting with FaceApp on your Android phone? Here's how to install it quick, safe, and from the official source. Here, tap the Play Store icon on your Android home screen. Now tap on Search, and in the search bar at the top, type FaceApp and hit Search. Now look for the FaceApp by FaceApp Technology Limited, recognized with over 100 million installs and a verified publisher badge. Now tap the install button, tap on it. Now once the installation finishes, the install button changes to open. As you can see, open, tap it to launch the FaceApp immediately. Now when the FaceApp opens for the first time, it will request permission to access your photos, camera and microphone. Here tap on Allow Access. And now you are all set. Choose a photo from your gallery or snap a new selfie to begin exploring FaceApp's filters. And that's it, FaceApp is now installed and ready to transform your photos. If you found this helpful, tap like, subscribe for more tips and comment below what filter are you excited to try.